What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shelly and I'm back with a new tutorial. So we're gonna just jump right into it. So I got the new NORVINA palette, is volume 6, and I decided I wanted to do a look to match my outfit. This was actually Easter today. Don't mind the boxes you see in the back, y'all. I swore I was moving again. Yes, I moved. I'll get into that video later. I have a lot of backup editing to do, but yeah, I was actually thought I was gonna move next month, but that's not happening. So yeah, anyways, I want to do a little quick tutorial, something fun, something light, you know, and I want to do something colorful. So, you know, jumped into this palette really quick, and the first color that really stood out to me was the color B1, which is this pretty turquoise color. And I know this is super unconventional to start off with color in the crease, but you guys know me, I'm always breaking the rules when it comes to this makeup game. And I'm just going back and forth with windshield wiper motions just to make sure that blends out all the way correctly. And I just added on more pigment just to give it a little bit more color payoff. So the next two colors that I'm going to go in with is the color C5, and then eventually I added a little bit of C4 in there to kind of help blend it a little bit more. My original idea for this look was to kind of have a gradient from pink to purple to blue, but you guys see that kind of didn't happen. So yeah, I just really wanted to have fun with the look and just really go with the flow. So that's really what I was doing, was just playing around with the colors and just kind of burn some time because, you know, it was Easter Sunday and I was just, you know, playing around too much. And I wanted to kind of match my outfit, so I kind of went off of that too. Now going in with some micellar water, this is the rose kind, and I'm going to use a Q-tip to kind of clean off my lid. I originally went in with my P. Louise base first because that's what that white stuff is, but it wasn't working out too good, so I just wanted to use my micellar water to kind of help clean that up a little bit more because I like a nice precise cut crease, and it wasn't looking too hot. It wasn't looking too precise to me, so once I got my lid cleaned off, I did go back in with the P. Louise base in 0. And I'm just going to cover that all over my lid. So that color that we're going to use next for my lid. So we're going to go back into the palette and we're going to use the shade D4. I'm laughing because I feel like I'm calling numbers for bingo. But it's this gorgeous pinky peachy color, and I really like it a lot. But yeah, it really matched the color pink that was on my shirt, and that's what really drew me into this palette. So yeah, we're going to place that all over my lid. Now with a small pencil brush, I'm going to go in with the shade E5, and then it's the only black color that's in this palette. And we lost a lot of the purple, so I don't even know why I originally put that on there. You can continue to add the purple, but you guys know me, I like some depth to my look, so I had to add the black. And I think I even went back in with some more purple towards the end. So now I'm going in with my NYX white eyeliner, and off camera I did my regular eyeliner with my Inglot Gel 77 liner, and I did a really dramatic wing. And now we're going into my face routine. If you would like to see the products, I'll have everything listed down below. But if you guys want to see how I do my normal face routine, I use the same products every single time, but I will have the video linked up above in the cards. I do need to film a new one because my technique has changed. And yeah, I just feel like I need to, you know, do a new one so I can show you guys what I do. And yeah, but for the most part, all the products are the same. And you know how I am. Any type of eyeshadow that'll come out, I'll buy it, hands down, especially if it's from brands I love like Anastasia, NARS, Natasha Denona, Morphe, anything like that. But when it comes to my face products, oh yeah, I'm a little bit more pickier with that because once I like something, I stick to it. So now I'm taking some more of that D4 shade, and I'm taking this Morphe brush and I'm just smudging that underneath my lash line. And I was kind of thinking about it a little bit. I was going to try to do the purple underneath there since I kind of lost it a little bit in my crease, but I was like, why not? I'll just, you know, put this back on there because it's pink. You guys already know how I feel about pink. But yeah, so I just wanted to smudge that underneath my eyes. Then I went in with this A1 color. Literally, it's like so pretty. It's so gorgeous and shimmery. And I sprayed a little Fix Plus on my brush before I tapped into it. And oh my God, y'all, like this is just, oh my God, it's so pretty. One big disappointment though, I did order the Ice Me Out highlighter from Anastasia, y'all. I had so much confidence in this highlighter because my Breezy highlighter got me in a chokehold. So I'm thinking this is going to be the next step up, right? I'd say like, ooh, like, you know, this one's going to be super pretty. I'm thinking it's going to be super icy. Do you see that? Do you see that? I was highly disappointed. Like, I'm thinking this is going to be like super icy, like, you know, like sweetie. Nah, it's giving very much like Becca Topaz. And I'm like, nah, sis, I'm ready to be iced out. So I got a little pissy and I grabbed my Breezy highlighter that's never let me down. And it's more of a white gold. And I feel a lot better with the white gold highlighter anyway. But I was just very confused and disappointed with the Ice Me Out highlighter from Anastasia. Like, sis, how you gonna gaslight me like that? I'm going with my favorite lip combo, which is Cork from MAC. I use the High Maintenance Beauty, and this is in the color Brown Sugar. It's such a pretty nude gloss. I love this gloss, and I need Haya to come out with some more. But this is the final look, y'all. Again, I just wanted to have some fun, and this is a very colorful palette. It really doesn't have that bad of a, it doesn't really have bad fallout. But you know, it's very gorgeous. All the colors are gorgeous. Like, you know, I have so many different looks that I have in my head when it comes to this palette, just looking at it. Oh, and Zoe made a cameo, y'all. She just walked up on me when I was in here filming, and you know, I had to give my baby kisses, my little dink dink. You see her? You see her? Oh my God, I love her. But she be over me. She be so over me, y'all. Oh my God. Anyway, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I have plenty of videos coming up soon. I literally am just getting my life together. Again, I thought I was moving and now I'm not. But yeah, we'll talk about that in a later video. Okay, bye.